welcome to Faith and Flower. I'm Robin, and tonight I'm just going to share with you guys a typical evening routine for us. I've had several requests to do this video, so I just thought, why not? So my husband has gone to pick up our son from work, and they will be home shortly, and so I'm just going to start preparing dinner, and I'll show you how we spend our typical evenings. Let's get started. I really enjoy cooking, so many nights I'll spend a little bit more time on dinner, but we were really busy today and I was looking for something fast and easy, so I'm making this gluten-free gnocchi along with this autumnal harvest creamy pasta sauce from Trader Joe's that we picked up, and that's new for us, so we're giving it a try tonight. And I thought those things would pair well together because I've fixed gnocchi with butternut squash before, and that's always a really big hit. So we're going to do that, and I'm also going to steam some broccoli florets with a little bit of lemon juice and butter. So really simple, really fast, but also nutritious. The first thing to do is to get out my big stock pot and fill it with water for the pasta and get that boiling. While I was waiting for the stock pot to fill with water, I went to get a small pot for the sauce, but changed my mind and got sort of a medium-sized saucepan so that I could add the gnocchi directly to the sauce and I would have a few things less to clean up. To prepare the broccoli, I like to use this microwave-safe dish with a lid, and I will just squeeze some lemon and add some butter to it along with the broccoli, and then I will steam it together in the microwave. Just to make things easier, while the broccoli is steaming, I'll start cleaning up a few things in the sink. I just like to clean as I go as much as possible, so while something's cooking on the stove or in the microwave and I'm not really busy, I can take the time to do that, and then at the end of the meal, I don't have a ton of things to clean. I love making gnocchi. It's a pasta that is made with potatoes instead of wheat, and so you can find it gluten-free pretty easily, and it's super fast. So as soon as the water's boiling, you add the gnocchi, and it only takes about 3 minutes, and when it's floating up to the top, you know that it's ready, and I just scoop it out, drain it a little bit, and add it to the sauce. And if you guys are interested in trying gnocchi, I have another recipe for you, and I will link that video above, and that is for gnocchi with sun-dried tomatoes and spinach. My husband had gone to pick up my son from work, and now they're both home. So while my son goes to change, I will get the plates ready and then we'll eat. always sit down and hold hands and say a blessing before we eat. And tonight my son is saying the blessing for our food. When dinner's over, everyone puts their own things into the dishwasher and helps me clear the table, and then I just come back and wipe the table down a little bit to get up any spills or crumbs. Is empty and all the dishes are finished, I like to just wash out the sink a little bit, and tonight I'm just using some of my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the pumpkin scent. Stainless steel on my dishwasher, I'm just using a damp Norwex microfiber cloth. It does a great job of getting the fingerprints and any smears off. Then I will use the same microfiber cloth to clean my cutting board and also the countertop. But in addition to my microfiber cloth, I'm going to use some of the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the apple cider scent, which is my absolute favorite, and I love using it. It makes the kitchen smell so fall-like. And I just love using products that have a great smell because they really motivate me to clean and make the whole process so much more fun. kitchen's all clean, I'm going to join my husband. He's kind of hiding out on the couch there. He's stretched out so you can't see him, but we usually just find something to watch together and relax. It's also a nice time for us to catch up with what's been going on in each other's day. Usually an hour or two before I plan to go to bed, I'll go in our master bedroom and close the shades and get the room ready for bedtime. Then I'll head into the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face, and take care of my skin before bed. Not every night, but some nights when I'm in the mood, I'll use something like this stress relief pillow spray from the Bath & Body Works. This is in the scent Eucalyptus Tea, which I really enjoy. And sometimes I use my diffuser with an essential oil that I find relaxing. And before bed, I do like to read some, or else my husband and I will watch a little bit of TV together in the bedroom just to sort of wind down before we go to sleep. I'm currently reading Sirius, which is a book with the dog as one of the main characters, and it's set in World War II. My husband just read it and really enjoyed it, and now my son and I are both reading it. Usually somewhere between 10:30 and 11, when we're finished watching TV or reading, it's time for lights out. And so that's it for our evening routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And if you do, make sure that you hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified of all my new videos. I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.